Good morning. On every good morning, I sit in my office and try to open so many websites that I have to do every morning. So I start with all professional websites. Being a chartered accountant, first one is ici.org. Then I look for icmi.in. Then I look for icsi.edu. Then I look for icairvo.in. Then it is IBBI website. Then I look for my social media websites, my mails, Gmail. In this Gmail, I need to open my own account. Then I have to open Facebook, Instagram, then Telegram. I have to link it in my computer for this. Telegram web is there. Then WhatsApp I have added. WhatsApp web. Then being a cricket lover, I look for the scores of last night. Crickinfo.com. Then some news I need to check. I'll go for Rediff. I'll go for Aaj Tak. And what not. So I'm really very tired of opening these emails or whatever websites day and day every morning. I want to check some via media where a single click of a button can open all these websites in the same sequence as I am doing it now. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is CA Ramesh Bhandari. Today we are diving into super simple technology basic that will literally give you back hours of your life over the year. I'm going to show you how to open all your daily websites with just one single click. We have a morning routine on our computers, but doing it manually wastes your most productive morning minutes. You are typing URLs, digging through the history, and waiting for pages to load individually. There is a much smarter way to do that uses a hidden trick in your browser bookmarks. Let us set it up. Here we go. There are exactly 3 steps to do this magic. First of all, open all the URLs that you want to open every morning. The morning routine URLs should be typed once and opened. For example, I open ici.org, I opened icmi.in, I opened icsi.edu, I opened icairvo.in, IBBI website, Gmail, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, WhatsApp, ESPN, Rediff, Aaj Tak and whatnot. You can open any number of websites. Your step 1 is done. Now in the step 2, put a right click on the empty space on the top. You get there one option, bookmark all tabs. For those who don't want to use mouse, they can use alternatively Control plus Shift plus D. If I put bookmark all tabs, you will get an option name. I will name it there morning routines because they are all morning routines recorded here, and preferably I will record it under bookmark bar. Don't put it under other bookmarks because you will have to find that later. Put it under bookmarks bar and then save. The magic has been created. Now what to do next morning? Next morning, these all items will not be there. You are just opening your browser. You are opening browser afresh and then look at right hand side of your browser. The three dots put here. In bookmarks and list, look there. You will get there bookmarks. Heading is there morning routines. No need to open them one by one. Right click here and put open all 13. All 13 that I have bookmarked will open in same sequence that you recorded. At any point of time, you can change them, you can delete some of them, you can add to this folder, and the things will become easy in the mornings that you want to do as a routine. It is that simple. Set it up once today and use it forever. If this quick tech hack saved you some time, hit that like button and subscribe for more technology and AI basics. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out to me at bsc4ca@gmail.com. See you in the next video soon. Thank you. Thanks a lot.